Hello everybody, this is Ed. Today we're checking out a dash cam, front and rear and inside from Terunsoul. This model is the D018. Seller sent me this to check out. Alright, so you have your quick start guide here. Here is the camera right here, 4K rear camera. Alright, so you got 4K coming out of the windshield and you got 4K coming out of the rear. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so here is the camera installed, and as you can see, both wires are going through the headliner. This one right here is for the camera that went down the A-pillar to the outlet. Power connection, the car socket here, and what I like about it, you got a USB-A connection here, so if I need to charge my phone or a tablet, I still have that option using this connection right here. Very unique design. Actually have the GPS on the suction cup out, and if you need to release the suction cup, you just turn that. That's pretty cool right here. I really like this design. This one right here is your rear camera, and I have that running down the driver's side. All right, so here is the rear camera. Again, this is adjustable, that you can go up and down with this camera. I have it set to where I want it to be. And as you can see, I had the wire running up again through the headliner. And I also added this clip here to keep this wire going where I need it to go. So that's an addition that comes with this camera. So really like that. And it was a real easy setup. It's a real clean look. I don't have no wires dangling anywhere and all that good stuff. This right here is adjustable, and it has night vision. You could see the IR lights around this camera. Illuminates what's going on inside of the vehicle. You also have these buttons right here to make changes. You also have a power button to turn it off if you need to. Your SD card is on this side right here. You do have a nice size screen here. Hit that button right there. There is what the front camera is seeing. And if you want to change that, there's the rear camera. Look how bright that rear camera is. Look how real nice that rear camera is. That's pushing 4K, guys, 4K. And then there is the inside camera. Inside camera is not bad at all. And you have all three on the screen. So here's your front, rear, and inside camera right here. All right, so some of the features of this camera. Again, you have triple recording, simultaneous 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p cabin footage. These cameras have wide view, 170 degree front, 150 degree cabin, and 150 degree rear. This product includes a 120 gig micro SD card, and it supports up to 512 gigs. Has loop recording and a G sensor to lock collision footage. For night vision, you have auto IR lights for the cabin. You have super starlight vision with WDR for front and rear. This camera comes with an app, and you have fast connectivity with dual band Wi-Fi 6 for fast access and downloads. Has a built-in GPS, records, displays real-time speed, compass, timestamp, and precise driving routes and locations. And they also offer a 24-hour monitoring, supports time-lapse and collision-triggered recording, but this feature requires a separate hardware kit. All in all, this is a great camera. Again, you have 4K in the front and 4K on the rear, so you're going to get some really nice footage from this camera. So if you're looking for a powerful camera with a lot of features, check this one out.